Alright, so this is section 1.1 of geometry, nets and drawings for visualizing geometry. First thing is just the definition of a net, and that's just a two-dimensional diagram that you can fold to make a three-dimensional figure. And the important thing that we learned is that the net shows all the surfaces of a figure. So when I fold this box of, I'm going to end up getting a cube. So my opposite sides are going to be B and E, A and C, and D and F. Again, we have to visualize how that's going to fold up into a cube. B is my base, and everything folds around it will then be how we visualize that. Remember, when I give you a three-dimensional shape to draw, the net should show all the faces of the object. So, like when I'm drawing this guy, the base is a square, and so I always start off drawing my base. There's my square. I know that it's 8 centimeters is each of those sides, and then I have triangles forming each of the sides, and I know those are all 10 centimeters. An orthographic drawing shows 3 separate views: a top view, a front view, and a right-sided view. So when I'm making, I have a top, a front, and a right. Again, I'm just showing the boxes. So for this one, my top view, I'm coming in from the front, and then I'm looking at it from over top of it. So when I do that, all I'm going to see is the top of these 2 boxes and then the top of this box. And so what that'll look like from the top is something like that. When I look at it from the front, I'm just looking at it from the front right here. And so I'm going to see the front of these boxes. And so it'll look the same, actually. Oops. And then the last one is when I look at it from the right hand side, I'm looking at it coming in from the right. And so I'll see the front of these boxes. And so again, I'll get the same picture. An isometric drawing is a way to help me visualize and draw a three-dimensional figure. So what we do is we end up getting dots like these that kind of set up for us to draw an accurate three-dimensional picture. So when I do this, I'm just connecting boxes, or connecting the dots to draw three-dimensional figures. So like there I have my top box. I always start on the corner because it makes it a little bit easier for me to see. So now I have 2 boxes stacked on each other. And then from there I'm always moving back. And so there's like 1 box to the right. There's 1 box to the left. And it's just a way that I can better visualize what I'm drawing here. So here's my corner right here. Oops. There's my front corner. Everything else is going back, showing my depth from there. So if I wanted to make an isometric drawing here, again I would, oops. Start with 1 box on the bottom. It's this box right here, the top of it. come down to give myself my cube. Again, that's my corner right here, right here. Then everything is moving back from there, so I extend my lines back like that. And go up from there. Draw the top of my right-handed side. So again, this part over here is these two blocks right here. Then extend this one back as well. And so this cube right here is this cube right there. And there's your homework.